Everybody, look at my dog. Its stomach is making very weird noises for some reason. Not sure why. But, he's just in there and his stomach made like weird gurgling noise like hopefully CJ is okay. If anyone knows what that could mean, if it could mean something bad, please tell me, because I am very weirded out. It's very weird. First time it happened, so I don't know what to do. That's really all. Please tell me if you know what's going on, and if it's dangerous or not for CJ. Peace.